coming to you from my home office and not running around Bloomfield or Montclair or Morristown to tell you all about my hot new listing that's coming on the market next week. If you know me, you know that when it comes to my business, providing my clients exceptional service is always my top priority. But for now, that priority is the health of my family, my friends, the community. I know there are many that feel that real estate is a non-essential business. And for those that have peace of mind right now because they are settled in at home, that makes perfect sense. But for those that are currently in situations that need to rent or to buy to get into a home, or for those that need to sell a home right now, it is an essential business. But being essential doesn't mean being irresponsible. Coldwell Banker already has a very strong digital platform in place. So being affiliated with Coldwell Banker, I'm already well equipped to virtually serve my clients that do need my assistance, and I am ready for that challenge. So check out my website and follow me on social media. Going forward, you'll be able to learn more about how I'll be handling listings, property showings, marketing, everything else. The community served page on my website does have links to the state and local updates. If you want to take your mind off of things for a while, you can go on my website to browse through listings, check out some of the homes in your neighborhood just to see what has been going on, what has been selling, what is still being listed. My hope is that this message does find you and yours in good health and in the comfort of your home. I will be closing social distance home sales from my home office. So call me if you need me, or if you're just curious about what it is that I will be doing. I am here and I am happy to answer your questions. Or if you're just interested and want to talk about real estate, I'm here and I want to talk. So I'm happy to hear from you. Take care. Be safe. Be healthy, and hopefully I will see you all soon. Take care.